Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is the 2021 Jetta SEL, and I wanted to do a trunk space demonstration. Obviously, I went to the golf course, waiting on my golf entourage, and just wanted to show you the trunk space. So see, this is a big bag. This is a cart bag that I use. It's a huge bag. I never walk with this bag. I always put it on the cart. But just to give you an idea of the space, here's a pair of golf shoes. Just kind of give you a visual. So if you're wondering about the trunk space in the 2021 Jetta SEL, it's actually quite significant. And I do want to mention the back seats. They're still in use. So you can fold those down. If you had something really tall, or I guess I should say long, you could fold those down and make more room. But I'm impressed with the trunk space in the 2021 Jetta SEL. Actually, the way that it's laid out, and you know, y'all tell me if I'm wrong, but this almost feels bigger than my 2020 Audi A4's trunk space, even though I think the 2020 Audi A4 was a little bit bigger vehicle. So, and the way they've got these cutouts in the side here, see that? And then you got this over here. Now I've got all this stuff that came with the car, like the roadside assistance kit and the cargo things and this first aid kit. But yeah, there's more room. You know, you could, it's really nice the way they've done the trunk in this. For such a small and fuel efficient vehicle, Volkswagen has really knocked it out of the park in my opinion. But tell me what you think. If there's something you'd like for me to address within upcoming 2021 Volkswagen Jetta SEL videos, just ask and I'll be happy to try to whip up a video. But yeah, ample trunk space, man. If you're a golfer like I am, it's plenty of room. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. See you later. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.